Look at the scooters. What's up, man? Oh my god, this is the new one. What's up, brother? How you been?
Motorcycle.
It's insane, dude. Yeah, I got the new battery in there too. Wow, guys, look at this. So what is this called? The FIDICO? FIDICO. Wow, look at this scooter, guys. This is a monster.
I was like, I gotta bring something that'll keep up with you.
What is this?
Steering damper. So at like a high speed, so it won't wobble as much.
Yeah, that's nuts.
Yeah.
And double motor.
Yeah.
Double hub.
Yeah.
Let's go down to the wash and we'll do a little thing about this.
Let's do it. Oh yeah.
Guys, look at this monster.
Yeah, this thing weighs about like 150.
Wow, it's almost like the SURRON.
You can't really see the light.
Oh, I see. Yeah. No, it's it lights up.
Got the turn signals too on the sides.
Look at this thing. Got turn signals, hazards, nice shock in the back. FIDICO. That thing is nuts, guys. All the switches right here. Crazy display. My god, this thing is a monster, bro. Tell me again about the specs of this thing.
I think it has about 7,000 watts, 72 volts, 40 amp hour battery. Does about like 45 miles going full speed. The top speed's about like 58.
Wow.
Yeah. I want you to ride it too.
Yeah. Here, I'll ride it over here.
Alright, so key, press the power button, hold it down. And then it's in gear 1, so put it in 3, just top, 3, and then right now it's just rear motor. Tap this bad boy, full power right there.
That's it.
And you're good to go, that's it. Oh, and it's you just throttle and it just goes.
This is the throttle?
Yeah, so you just throttle and it goes.
So I'll start at
yeah, that's just rear motor.
Let's see real quick. This thing is insane. Oh wow, look at this thing. Wow, this is a full-blown crazy scooter. Wow, that is nuts, guys. 29, 26 with no time. What a crazy monster this thing is. Crazy steering damper that he said. Man, this thing is crazy. Let's see what other mode is there. So 1, 2, 3, and then we go like that. Oh my. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god, this thing is a monster. I don't know how he did 58 on this. I'd be scared. I'd be super scared. Holy crap. I don't even know how fast we went. Holy cow, bro.
Yeah, did you put full power?
Yeah, I couldn't go all the way, man. I think I hit 40 or something. That is insane,
it's
bro.
sketchy too, kind of.
Guys, this scooter is insane. I'm not really I don't have that much experience on scooters, but that thing flies, man. Flies. Look at that. That thing just flies. Just takes off. I wasn't ready for it. I was like, oh my god, the guy's dipping on me. Man, this thing flies. Dude. It's faster than a stock SURRON for sure. Alright, make a left. Some street action. You ready? flying. You're flying on that thing. I gotta change my tune. What's up, man?
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning. How you doing?
Beautiful day, no?
I know, finally, right?
Fucking A, I was like, you know, put some air, the tires,
Have
the
to.
whole fucking thing is like,
Yeah.
oh, yeah, it's like amazing.
Looking beautiful, man. All chromed out, looking nice.
Thank you. Dude, how is that thing, dude?
I love it.
Sick. You taking it to the back of the hills?
Yeah, well, we're gonna do Valley Circle.
You do Valley Circle?
Yeah, for today.
Pretty sick, boy.
Yeah,
Have
man.
a good ride.
You too, bro.
Stay safe. Watch out for the assholes.
Yeah. Look at the scooters flying. Oh my god, that is amazing, man. Ready? Bro, I'm at 130 amps and we're like together, you know what I mean? What a beautiful day to ride. I love this road. Most of the valley where I live in LA, it's very crisscrossy, straight streets and very boring to drive around, where this one is one of the nicer spots. Actually a curved road, you know what I mean? We don't see a lot of that here. Beautiful trees, beautiful weather today, and we're about to go to another beautiful spot. Look at this forest. Box Canyon is coming up. This Box Canyon right here got so much history that's insane. Charles Manson and that whole situation, some of that cult or whatever, they used to live over here in these mountains. But yeah, if you guys look up Box Canyon, you'd really see some crazy history. Also, if I'm not mistaken, I forgot which airline it was, but an airline crashed into these mountains back in the day, like 50, 60 years ago. Pretty crazy, just crashed into the side of the mountain. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Mesa right here is where that plane crashed. Pretty crazy. Yeah, we were here when I was shooting the range test for the stealth bomber. I love this road. Flying pig! Man, look at that rock over there. It's like where Simba used to live, you know what I mean? Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Simi Valley right here.
I feel like I'm probably one of the few to pull up in a scooter.
A scooter up here, yeah.
Like it's always enjoyable doing stuff like that and something like this versus a car. Like you just don't appreciate it.
Guys, look at this beautiful contrast. I'll try to zoom in. Look at this beautiful green mountains and then the snow in the background. How crazy is that? Different types of terrain. Rocky mountains, beautiful green mountains, snow. Man, I love LA. We love LA. We love it. Hope you guys are enjoying this. Such a beautiful day out. So grateful. And also let's talk about this Shy battery. So I love it so far. I super love it. The only bad things or negative things I could say about the battery is that I really like the switch that was on the side. when the switch was on the side, it was much easier to get access to. From right now, I have to open the lid in order to turn it on and off, which I don't fully like, I'm gonna be honest. So yeah, as far as power, man, this thing is a beast. I still haven't pushed it to the full 10 kilowatts. We're gonna do that very soon. I wanna see what top speed I get and things like that. Very soon we'll shoot a range test, a brand new one, and we'll find a cool spot to go to. Maybe we'll go to the Hollywood sign again. That was pretty fun. But yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this nice little ride out today with the homie Saiku right behind me. Oh, right in front of me, actually. That scooter is insane, insane, insane. And we're loving the Shy battery. But that's pretty much it for me. We'll have a lot more content about this battery soon. So stay tuned and definitely make sure to subscribe and like this video. That helps out a lot on the channel, more than you guys can imagine. But that's it for me, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.